Hey guys, Beast Gamer here, back again with another video. And yeah, today I'm just gonna be, this is episode 2 of my Indiana Pacers rebuild. So right now, I just made it, 10-man rotation. So, yeah. So this is just my rotation. I have Jeff Teague at point guard, Monte at shooting guard, PG-13 at small forward, Thad Young at power forward, and then Miles Turner to center. That's my starting lineup. Off the bench, I have Bizback Biombo as my sixth man, Rodney Stuckey, CJ Miles, Jeremy Evans, and Joseph Young. Yeah, Joseph Young at the 10th spot. So, that's just my rotation. I'm just gonna be in this episode. I'm just gonna be doing a few more roster moves. So I'm putting up Rodney Stuckey on the trade block. See what I can get for him to free up some trade. So maybe another first round pick would be nice. I think I'm gonna do. This trade isn't bad. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go back to the other trade with Tony Allen. So yeah. So I'm going to accept that. So now we have Tony Allen for some defense. Now I'm going to be looking at some contracts. Wherever that is. There we go. I think I'm gonna move CJ Miles. He's getting $5 million a year, so that's a little too much for 70 overall. 1.5 star trade values. I'm gonna do this. Trade Gerald Green only $1 million a year, so and we get a first round pick out of that. So that's a nice trade there. So yeah. Nick McMillan, that's just my coaching staff. For scouting, I think I'm just gonna. I think I just got De'Aaron Fox. Let's just scout a few people. Yeah. See if I can get him in the draft next year. So now I'm just gonna sim a few games. Oh, it's gonna have. We have a bit of a losing streak. Okay, so we're 3-5, last in our conference. So we're gonna just Tony Allen had getting 2 steals a game. I don't know why George Neal is getting minutes. He shouldn't be getting any minutes with my 10-man rotation. So there. That should be good now. I think I'm gonna give a few minutes to Gerald Green. There. So I think we need to get a new shooting guard. So see what we can get for a shooting guard. Let's try to just get a better. Wait. Joe Green in a first round pick. See what we can get out of that. I want a better shooting guard, so I think I'm just going to do this trade because we also get a first round pick. So we get Jordan McRae, a nice young guy who's not getting paid that much. So, and oops, I accidentally meant to do manual, so now I have to fix it again. There we go. Let's get some of these guys. There we go. There. So now this is my final rotation, so we're going to send a few more games and I'll leave you off there. I'm going to send to this Portland game, send to the end of November. Okay, so we are 11-8. That's 4th in our division. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Peace.